So I'm here with Igor. This is a nice little basement. It's actually pretty big. We're gonna go check it out.
Welcome to this newly finished basement in South Windsor. Come on in. Yeah, as you walk in, we have this little kitchenette, and then on each side we have a bedroom. We added this egress window with two French doors. You can open up the space. And then on this side also, another bedroom with a single French door to allow the light to come in. And then another egress window. Really nice high ceilings, 9-foot ceilings. There was some duct work that was running here in the middle, so we had to reroute that on the side so we can have more ceiling height. This wasn't in the initial quote, it wasn't in the initial floor plan, but then as we were working on the basement, the homeowner, he decided to add a kitchenette. And this wall was just coming here, and then we decided to extend this wall and make this nook and add like a little kitchenette. It was a good call. The customer is really happy about this. It's got a little sink, 2 fridges, a nice backsplash.
It's a very nice backsplash. Insert. That's awesome.
And then as you come here, we have 2 access panels for the shut-off valve for the main water lines. The water line was right here in the middle, so we tried to make this symmetrical, so we boxed this out and put 2 closets so it looks symmetrical. And rather than just building a wall, we made use of this dead space that was there. And then as you come in here, we have a full-size bathroom with a custom walk-in shower.
Wow, this looks good.
The staircase that we had to refinish with oak treads and risers.
Simple but looks very nice, clean.
Yeah. Then on top of on the landing we installed hardwood floors. And then over here we have a spare room, which is could be used as a pantry or a little office or storage.
Yeah. It's nice.
Yes.
That's the furnace.
And this is the furnace room.
And finished side. What about the closet under the staircase?
This is the staircase closet, and the customer just wanted to use this as a finished closet for when he has guests. You know, if they can use this closet, and at the same time, behind this little door, he was gonna keep, you know, miscellaneous items, you know, as a storage. And we just added this door, so when you open the main door, you don't see all that stuff there. Nice. You just see this door nice and finished.
That's nice.
Yeah, so pretty much, you know, this is the basement. It has 1,400 square feet. Nice. Which is you know, a little on the higher side, but nevertheless it was a lot of fun working on it. And the main thing is that the customer is happy. He really likes it, and there was a lot of changes, like I mentioned, even about the little kitchenette was an add-on. The bathroom, we initially were gonna do like a basic 4-piece shower, fiberglass shower, but then as we were working, the customer decided to do a custom tile walk-in. So things like that, you know, it's a lot of change orders and back and forth, but that's why we are flexible and try to accommodate to any request that the homeowner might have and make sure they're happy at the end of the day, because it's a big investment for them, and just when they're happy, we're happy. So